Welcome to Blogging Mantra YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you how I am earning from Propeller Ads with one of my website. And in this video, I detail explain you how to set weekly payment, how I am getting payment method, which payment method I am using, and my payment proof and my earning. So let's start. Before starting this video, I will just a minute. Inform you, I just started one of course of the secrets of blogging in Udemy platform, and you can just enroll this course. This course is include the secrets of blogging tips, how to write 100% on page SEO optimize blog, and secret tips to find content ideas, subtopics and word length for the post, and secret tips to rank your website or blog in Google's first page, and secret tips to optimize your website for search engine to drive consistent stream of the free traffic, secret tips to increase website speed. All of the video include secret tips, and in future I will update weekly one video with secret tips. So just enroll this course. This course is very less amount, just for 55 rupees. Just enroll this course and start your blogging career, and I definitely tell you, you will be success on blogging. So let's start my video, and this video I will just explain you how we can get weekly payment. You can use Propeller Ads, and I will just tell you this Propeller Ads is best alternative of Google AdSense. If your website is not getting approval from Google AdSense, you just sign up with Propeller Ads. I will just provide the link with this ad network. Just go through and just sign up your website with this ad network, and you will get a weekly payment and monthly payment. Weekly payment, every Thursday you will get a payment, and you can easily set your minimum amount of withdraw amount. Minimum is $20 in Pioneer. I just add a payment method. There is lots of payment method: Pioneer, PayPal, Skrill, Wise Euro, and Wise USBD, and Web Money also. So you just sign up this website. It's very good website, and I will just show you my payment proof. I just 9/12/2021 I just start $80 I just received, and this is the my I think 23rd of payment, and I just receive a mail from $80 to $3 is cut from Pioneer, and I just receive this amount of 5758 in INR. Okay, so this is the payment proof. I just show you. I just received this payment of yesterday, and this is the $80 payment, and I just receive mail from Pioneer, and I also show you my earning proof. And daily basis I will earn $9, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4. It's completely compare with Google AdSense also, and you will get a Pioneer account. Just sign up here, and you will get a here for slip also. So just $77.63 I just completed withdrawal from Pioneer account, and this is the automatically withdrawal. If Propeller Ads send money from Pioneer through Pioneer, just send it to me, and $77.363. So this AdSense alternative is very good, and I just suggest you, if your website is not approved from Google AdSense, or you are using some download site or movie site or some illegal site also, adult site, so you just sign up with Propeller Ad, and this ad network is very important if you are using some pirated content in your website, because the some movie website you did not send your approval from Google AdSense. So this alternative is very nice alternative and very good alternative. You can get same amount from Google AdSense itself from Propeller Ad. So I just suggest you, if this video is valuable for you, just like this video, and if you are new, come in my YouTube channel, just subscribe my channel, so that all the blogger who want your career in blogging, so I will just put daily basis one video in with secret tips, with practically I will just upload one video daily. So this channel is very valuable for you if you are make your career in blogger. So thank you, and if you have any suggestion about my video or my channel, just put comment on below on my videos. So I will just provide a link for Propeller Ad. Just sign up with that link, so that you get just fast approval from Propeller Ad, and you can get also weekly payment with my link. So do click my link with I provide in my video description. I I also provide my course link with secrets of tips, secrets of blogging, and this course is very valuable for you if you make your career in blogger. So this course is very important for you. In this course I will explain you how to start an SEO optimized blog that rank faster, and what should be the future blogging strategy to boost your Google rank, and step by step every and each video I will explain with practically. So this index I cover in this video. In this course I have upload 4-hour on demand video, full lifetime access, you can access my video, and in future and every month I will put one video with secret tips to get just 555 rupees. It's not a much amount, but it's valuable amount for you, and after completion this course you will get a certificate from Udemy. So this course is very important for you, and do subscribe or enroll this course also. So thank you for watching, and keep going on and keep watch my video every day. Thank you.